Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg salad Trini style full guide. Begin by boiling eggs until fully hard, then cool and peel them carefully. Prepare green seasoning, chives, and Scotch bonnet finely, and whisk mayo with mustard and lime for a tangy dressing. Chop eggs roughly, then fold gently with the dressing and herbs, taste for salt and heat, and serve with fried bake or crackers. To build authentic Trini flavor, focus on fresh green seasoning and Scotch bonnet for warmth. Combine creamy mayo with lime juice and a touch of mustard to lift the salad. Season gradually, tasting as you go, and keep some chopped herbs for garnish. Consider adding chopped cucumber or celery for crunch if you like texture contrast. Serve chilled so the flavors meld, and adjust heat level to suit your guests. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking guides. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It's leak-proof, easy to hold, and fits cup holders so you can sip between stirring. I find it perfect for busy kitchens and outdoor cookouts, and it keeps water cold for hours. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Texture makes this egg salad memorable, so chop eggs to leave small chunks amid creamy dressing. Serve options include fried bake for a classic Trini pairing, or crackers and sandwiches for easy snacking. Garnish simply with chives or a light dusting of paprika to add color. Keep extras refrigerated and consume within a couple of days for best freshness. Offer lime wedges at the table for guests who want extra brightness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.